Hello and welcome back to Soy Creativa. Today we are going to make a tasty Paneer Cabbage Paratha. So let's start. So guys, let's have a look at the ingredients of this recipe. We need 2 cups of chopped cabbage, 1 cup of grated carrots, 2 cups of paneer, 1 cup finely chopped methi, 4 to 5 chopped green chillies and 1 tbsp ginger garlic paste. Now guys, let's start making the stuffing of the paratha. Now take a kadhai, turn on the flame and add 2 tbsp oil to it. Add 1 tbsp cumin seeds, that is jeera, and chopped green chillies. Now add the ginger garlic paste and the methi leaves. Now give this a good mix. After this, add the grated carrots and mix it well. Now it's time to add the masalas: half tablespoon turmeric powder and 1 tablespoon red chilli powder. Now add 1 tablespoon of garam masala and half teaspoon amchur powder. Now give it a good mix. After mixing it, add the chopped cabbage, now add some paneer, that is cottage cheese. Mix it well. Now add approximately 1 tablespoon of salt to this mixture and mix it well again. Kindly make sure that the water contents dry completely. Now guys, turn off the flame and let it cool. Until then, let's make the dough for the parathas. We need 2 cups of all-purpose flour, that is maida, and 2 cups of atta. Now add 1/4 tablespoon of salt and 2 tablespoons of cooking oil. Now add half a tablespoon of ajwain. Now gradually add water and knead the dough. Once you knead the dough, make small medium-sized balls of it. Once it is cooled, make balls of the stuffing too. Flatten the dough slightly and make small puri shapes of it. This is a mixture of cooking oil and garam masala. Apply it on the flattened puris. Then place the stuffing balls and seal it properly, as shown in the given steps. Once this is done, roll the parathas gently. Place the paratha on the hot tawa. Flip over. Now gently pour some ghee. And our delicious cabbage paneer paratha is ready. Guys, if you like this video, please hit the like button as it encourages us to make more recipes for you. And don't forget to subscribe Soy Creativa. Thanks for watching.